Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have not a review, but an unboxing, and later on, you won't know the difference, but we have a review later on. It's this thing right here. The DeWalt. Oh, the DeWalt. Let's see. Adjustable shop stool with casters. Now, no big deal. It's a seat. 300-pound capacity. I'll just squeak in there. Hopefully it not too bad. It's got a lot of reviews, high reviews, 5-star reviews. So I'm going to figure out how to open this. I'm not expecting any surprises. I'm suspecting that there's a stool in here. I did open the box upside down, but what do you expect? So what's this? Okay, that's your piston. The chair is adjustable somewhat. We'll see how much in a minute. There's casters already on it, and you can take them off and put these on if you are not going to be wheeling this chair around. The seat. So I don't think there's much assembly to this. Now, you take your piston. I think it's a tapered fit. There's a lever to adjust the chair. Is there a certain way? I don't think so. You just put that on there like that. It is a 360-degree swivel chair. Let me see how high it is on the lowest setting. 22 inches. And that's about 27 at its highest setting. Oh boy, that's hard to push down. It seems to be pretty good quality. This is really hard. It is all steel. It has a little tray here. It says that you can put your tools, but I mean, I don't think you can't put any tools on this. You won't be able to. Oh. I was going to say, you won't be able to pick it up by the seat. That must be friction fitted too. Yeah. This is my work bench. Well, not a work bench, but it's just a little bench, as you see. At its highest setting, it would be too high for me. So, at its lowest setting, too much. This would be perfect. Right?
Hey YouTube family, hit that subscribe button, because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you.
Hey guys, so what do I think of this shop stool? I like it. I like it a lot. I'm glad they got it on sale. It is expensive. That's the only downside. I was looking at shop stools all the time, and it'd be $50, $60, $70, and they're all plastic. You could just tell they're very poorly made, and I didn't want to go spend $70. Then, you know, a year or two later, have another $70. What's the point? You might as well buy this one and have it for life. This is solid steel, except for the cushion. I think that'd be the only thing, the cushion, that I would have to reupholster anytime in the future. Maybe put on another wheel, another caster, but hey, what? No big deal. The chair itself, I mean, it's going to last forever. Now, the little screen that they have here, you're thinking that it's going to be like a little caddy. It's really not. You can put some wrenches in there if they don't fall through the holes, but maybe lay down a drill, maybe on the side. Small drill. Yeah, even that's not going to really fit in there very well, which is not that big a deal for me. Would have been nice though if they did give you a little more room that you could kind of put your drill or impact wrench or something like that. But so I like it, and I don't have a garage and I don't have a concrete floor, so I work on the car outside. So I lays down a sheet of plywood and puts my tools and everything on there. You know how it is working in the dirt, and you just move around when you're doing brakes, especially. You know, you can get your tool or whatever, slide back over, do what you need to do on the brakes, and you're fine. Works great, obviously, if it works on the plywood floor here. It's going to work on a piece of plywood out there. That's it. That's my thoughts on this stool. And hopefully, if you're thinking about getting one, go ahead. I think you're going to enjoy it as much as I am. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.